Hey guys, here are some of our top tile transformations. For the first floor look, we actually used our modern checkerboard template, and this is really a stencil used to, create a DIY game board, but I thought it would look pretty neat on a floor, so that's exactly what I did. Next up is our modern Persian tangled square stencil, and I just think this looked beautiful on a type of checkered two-tone floor look, and it was really one of my favorite looks I've done yet. The stencil was actually a custom stencil made at our website, which anyone can do. You just go in, type your name in, pick what it's for and the size that you need, and then you can send it in and we can give you a quote on how much that it would cost. Next up, we have two looks that I actually used the same stencil on and got two completely different looks. The first look was this much warmer tone one, and then my second time I did it, it was winter, it was colder, and I decided to use some cool tone grays, and I got a completely different look, and I really like how it turned out. Next up, we have our modern Lozy line stencil, and I just did a very chic black and white look with this, and it came out super simple, and it was just what the floor needed. Lastly, I created this look using our St. Anthony's Basilica tile stencil, and I specifically only used the center of it to get that star that I spread out throughout the whole floor for a very simple design. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these tile transformations as much as I did creating them, and if you want to go check out any of our stencils, our website is stencilmepretty.com, and you can just search in the search bar any of the descriptions that I had in the video today, and you can go check them out for yourself. You can pick any size you need, any material that you want, and then you're good to go and you can start all of your DIY projects that you need.